Do you think respect comes because you are good? Do you believe influence is handed to the lucky? You are wrong. Power is not found, it is built, brick by brick, hour by hour, decision by decision. Discipline shapes it, vision molds it, and an iron will carries it through the storms no one survives. Respect is not offered, it is taken, it is claimed, it is engineered through presence, through perception, through the image you project when no one is looking. Influence is not a gift, it is forged in silence, in patience, in preparation. It grows in the shadows while the world chases comfort, distractions, illusions of safety. Look around. Most are blind. They wait, they hope, they pray, they fail, and they never notice how powerless they have become. This is not advice. This is reality. This is the truth no one dares to tell you. If you cannot face it, you will be swallowed. If you can, you begin. Most people live in a fog. They think the world owes them clarity, success, power. They wait for opportunity to knock, for fate to smile, for someone to hand them a path. They are weak because they believe life is fair. Life is not fair. Life is brutal. Every advantage is seized, every respect earned, every influence carved out of the raw chaos of existence. You will see the world bend to those who refuse to wait. Those who move silently, who calculate, who master their own minds before they attempt to master anything else. They do not plead, they do not hope, they execute. Every moment wasted in indecision, every second spent in distraction, is a moment you hand to someone stronger, someone sharper, someone willing to take what you let slip. Power, respect, influence. None of it comes to those who dream. It comes to those who act, relentlessly, ruthlessly, without apology. Most will never understand this. Most will remain pawns in a game they refuse to learn. Do not be them. You think you understand the world. You think you see the lines of power, the rules of survival, the way influence spreads. But you are blind. You walk through life following illusions. You obey the laws of convenience, of comfort, of fear. You are a shadow of potential, a faint echo of what could be. They told you to be patient. They told you to wait your turn. They told you that luck would decide who rises and who falls. Lies. Luck is a mask for preparation. Patience is a cage for the weak. Power does not wait. Power hunts. Power takes. Every choice you avoid, every moment you hesitate, every thought you ignore, they are building a prison around you. And yet you smile, you nod, you conform, while the world bends for those who act. While the strong forge paths in fire and shadow, you watch from the sidelines, pretending you are safe. Influence is not given. Respect is not earned by kindness or morality. They are seized. They are demanded. They are carved into the minds of others until no one can deny your presence. Control your image, your voice, your timing. Control yourself first. Then the world bends, silently, inevitably, to the weight you have built. No excuses, no apologies, no waiting for permission. The void does not care about your hesitation. The void does not care about your comfort. Either you rise and take, or you vanish unnoticed, irrelevant, forgotten. You live thinking the world owes you something. You think comfort is a right. You think mercy will follow you like a shadow. You are mistaken. The world does not owe you. The world does not care. Every hand that lifts you is calculating. Every smile you trust is weighing you. Weakness is visible. Fear is audible. Hesitation is a mark, a stain, a beacon for predators. You cannot hide. You cannot hope to negotiate safety. Only power dictates your place. Only decisiveness carves your path. Only mastery of yourself turns the tide. You have been taught to seek approval, to blend in, to follow the rules of others. But those rules are designed to contain you, to shrink your influence, to clip your wings before you even realize they exist. Take your vision, take your presence, take your voice. Do not ask, do not wait, command it. Let your actions be sharp, deliberate, unavoidable. Let your presence bend minds. Let your silence speak louder than their noise. Let your focus crush distractions into dust. No one will hand you what you deserve. You must take it. Every step, every breath, every calculated move becomes the scaffolding of your inevitability. Stand unshakable. Speak without compromise. Move without fear. Become the force that cannot be ignored, the shadow that others cannot escape. You think pain is something to avoid. You think failure is a setback. You are wrong. Pain is the forge. Failure is the blueprint. Every scar, every wound, every defeat etches your map toward dominion. Weakness mourns what it loses. Strength records it, learns from it, weaponizes it. The world will betray you. People you trust will turn. Opportunities will vanish. And yet, every time the darkness comes, every time the ground falls beneath your feet, you rise sharper, you rise colder, you rise heavier than before. Survival is not enough. Survival is the threshold. Mastery is what comes next. Your mind is a battlefield. Your body is a weapon. Your presence is the command no one dares defy. Do not flinch. Do not doubt. Do not beg. The fire within is louder than the chaos around. The force inside you bends reality, twists fortune, breaks hesitation. You have been softened by comfort, dulled by routine, poisoned by distractions. Now strip it away. Burn what is unnecessary. Silence the noise. Strip every false hope. Only then do you see clearly. Only then do you act decisively. Only then does the world submit to the weight of your will. Power does not apologize. Influence does not hesitate. Respect does not wait for permission. You will take what is owed. You will enforce it. You will make inevitability visible, tangible, undeniable. And those who doubted you will remember the moment they stood against what could not be contained. Everything you feared, everything you avoided, everything you were told was impossible, none of it matters anymore. The world bends only to those willing to endure the unbearable. You are no longer soft, no longer uncertain, no longer ignored. Your presence is law. Your actions are consequences. Every glance you command, every word you speak, every silence you hold is a weapon. They will feel it, they will bow to it, and they will remember it, always. Do not mistake this for luck. Do not call it fate. This is the fruit of relentless discipline, of walking through fire while others ran, of sharpening your mind while others dulled theirs. The weak see chaos, the strong see opportunity, the unstoppable see inevitability. You are inevitability. Every step you take leaves a mark. Every decision you make reshapes the landscape. Every intention you carry bends reality. You do not ask. You do not wait. You do not apologize. You take. You command. You exist as proof that nothing can stand in your path. This is the end of their illusions, the end of their excuses, the end of their power over you, and it is only the beginning of yours.